Okay, Antic, so you're heavily in OMG. Yeah, I've got a nice bag of it also. And if we do have a dip, I will probably add some more OMG. It's looking pretty good. Anyway, and it looks beautiful actually. It looks really good. If it can play out, it'd be fantastic. Um, where did I see that? Algo. Yeah, let's have a look at Algo here. Yeah, so a pretty nasty rejection. No question about it. There's a pretty bad rejection. Now the reason for the rejection up here is we had a stop hunt up here, as you can see up here, pretty stop hunt, and it was right into resistance. Okay, so we're definitely into resistance up here, and that's the issue. Now on top of that, we have a bit of exhaustion from the buyers. The buyers had a huge buy pressure, and it just got stopped dead in its tracks up here. Now, in theory, though, it should be a decent buying opportunity. Like we should continue to consolidate here. I think we can have a bit more downside. If we get a bit more downside again, it's probably then going to run to the upside. It's probably going to wipe out the longs before moving higher. But overall, the chart looks really good overall. We want price to be holding above here, above this point right in here. Good, wrong thing there. In and around this area, you can see that this is, you can see all through here, this has all been very important level and into this pivot. See this pivot before the breakout, before the parabolic move? It's a very important point. On top of that, we have the volume sitting here on this. So well, it has to hold. We don't want to break down below that. I think it will hold and then move higher. I had some algo. I'll have a break-even stop on it. I was hoping it would hold and run to the upside, but if we break down from that level at the $1.10 level, we need to be very careful. In this market so far, a lot of these coins have all been kind of doing this pattern and then breaking to the upside and running back up. Like it's a slightly bearish pattern, to be honest, and it kind of makes traders a bit worried and a bit iffy. But in a bull market, these bearish patterns will fail to move to the upside. And if as long as this market remains to be strong, this should push back to the upside. The question is, how much are they going to dip it first to wipe out the longs before they push it higher? That's the tricky part. Now, this should hold for here and then move higher.